Imagine looking up into the night sky and realizing something is looking back. Not a human satellite, not a piece of junk, something older than history itself. It has no name in official records, no mission logs, and no origin story we can confirm. NASA calls it space debris. Conspiracy theorists know it as the Black Knight satellite, a mysterious object that's been quietly orbiting our planet for thousands of years. But if it's real, who sent it? And why is it still there, watching? Welcome to Uncharted Secrets, the channel where the unexplained isn't just a story, it's a mystery waiting to be uncovered. Today we're going deep into one of the most chilling enigmas in space exploration. Some say it's alien technology from a distant star system. Others believe it's a relic from a forgotten Earth civilization. But the more you look at the evidence, the more the line between science and science fiction begins to blur. Our story begins in 1954. The world was locked in the early stages of the space race. The Soviet Union had yet to launch Sputnik, and the United States was still years away from putting its first satellite into orbit. And yet, reports emerged that the U.S. Air Force had detected two unknown objects circling the Earth. Two satellites that shouldn't exist. At that time, no nation on Earth had the technology to put them there. They weren't natural asteroids. Their orbits were stable and deliberate. To the public, this was an impossible mystery. To military intelligence, it was something far more alarming. If they weren't ours, whose were they? Decades later, in 1998, the mystery resurfaced. The crew of the Space Shuttle Endeavour captured a series of striking photographs during mission STS-88. In them, an enormous, dark, angular object floats silently against the backdrop of Earth. NASA insisted it was a piece of thermal insulation that broke off during a spacewalk. But researchers quickly pointed out flaws in that explanation. Insulation doesn't hold a stable orbit, doesn't appear metallic, and certainly doesn't have a symmetrical, almost manufactured design. This was no random scrap. It was something deliberately placed. The plot thickened in 1973 when Scottish researcher Duncan Lunan revisited a set of unusual radio echoes recorded back in the 1920s. These echoes had baffled scientists for decades. But when Lunan analyzed the data, he discovered something stunning. A pattern that formed a star map pointing directly to the Epsilon Bootis star system, nearly 200 light-years from Earth. Lunan suggested these signals could have been sent by a probe, one that had been in orbit for over 13,000 years. That's older than the pyramids, Stonehenge, and every recorded civilization on Earth. If true, the Black Knight wasn't just watching us for decades. It's been here for millennia. So, what is it? Skeptics argue it's nothing more than space junk, maybe from early missions, maybe from an unknown launch. But here's the strange part. No space agency has ever attempted to retrieve it. No mission has been officially tasked with studying it. It's simply ignored. Why? Believers claim the answer is simple. The Black Knight is an alien reconnaissance craft sent to monitor humanity's development. Others believe it's a relic from an advanced civilization that once thrived on Earth, a technological ghost from a forgotten age. If that's the case, what else might they have left behind? Up there, in the cold silence of space, the Black Knight satellite remains, silent, unmoving, and untouchable. A sentinel from another world, or a relic from our own lost past. Until we bring it down and look inside, its true purpose will remain a secret, hidden in plain sight. This is Uncharted Secrets. If you enjoyed uncovering the truth with us today, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you never miss our next deep dive into the world's greatest mysteries.